Hey guys, it's Rob. Welcome to Ignorant Trading. So the saddest thing happened to me this past week. So I was giving a class on sort of options, stocks, and just introducing myself. And I was screen recording the call and I didn't have enough memory on my computer. So I was frantically trying to delete stuff and accidentally deleted all the screen recordings of all my trades for the past 2 weeks. So that's completely gone. But you can see here, I've been pretty successful since November 10th when I started this thing at 1,000. I've been able to get to 1350 now, mainly off this NVIDIA play. That if we go to this group that I'm a part of and I'm providing signals for, uh, we had the NVIDIA play right here. It was a long entry on the 8th that really just gave me this big gain, and I put a lot into it. So I just felt really confident about the signal because I initially designed a lot of these indicators off of NVIDIA. And yeah, so far the experience of providing for the group is going really well. I've gotten engagement. I got our first member to make some profit. So I was very excited about that. But of course, it's very time consuming, so kind of hard to do with other obligations that I have. But overall, really excited about how this is going. And then also for you guys so that I can keep accountability on the YouTube channel, I'm actually working on a sheet. So I'm actually working on a sheet that's going to be able to provide sort of real-time statistics about the portfolio and just year-to-date performance, all the trades, winning and losing, for me to kind of like be able to match up what all the different strategies that are coming in, like we see like different types, and then the direction that they're going to be going, and the stock and win rate, and kind of just match those up with what we've seen in back testing. So I'm actually in the middle of hiring somebody to help me kind of fill out this sheet, and of course it'll look a lot better once I have them work on it. And then I want to be able to like post something to the group so everybody's able to see in real time, or just be able to see in really good representation how everything's going. So there's no capery, there's no wondering how things are going, there's no like bombardment of messages so you can't tell what's what. You're going to be able to tell exactly what's what. It's going to be beyond me just providing screenshots of me doing watch lists or the actual transactions. It's just going to be this total thing. It's also going to help me because it's going to help me keep accountability from as far as what our back testing win rate is to what our live testing win rate is. So I want to continue to keep this up going into the new year. I may start with 1,000 for the new year just to keep it even and see what we come up with at the end. So I'll let you guys know, of course, if we decide to do that. But overall, the signals are doing really well. I'm actually very excited to work on another indicator that I'm seeing a lot of promise for, especially for long-term growth. And by the way, I also have started my own little Discord here, and we're just started, but it kind of goes through my entire story of how I got started, my first trade turning $10 into 150, and then being able to build up my account to 370,000 and ultimately losing it. All my official links, to as far as my Twitter, YouTube, stocks and news, like my big channel that has over 600 subs. And yeah, I'm going to start throwing signals in here starting next week. I've got like a little options guide that should help people get started for those who don't really know too much about options. And ideally, I'd like to give another little class or introduction into the signals, really make it easy to follow what's going on. All my YouTube videos will come here. Actually, I just had another YouTube video come that doesn't look like it's showing up here, which I'll have to see why not. But all the YouTube videos should be coming here. And yeah, so there's a lot going on. And this is the Ignorant Trading Discord. I'm going to throw a link in the description. I might change the name to Our World because I like the idea of like it's our world. And I'll just throw in a lot of different investing opportunities and things like that. Yeah, super sad I couldn't show you the live trading that I did. I'm thinking that I will still do it in pieces here or there, but mostly I'm going to be working to improve signals and kind of just show you hopefully like the end result as far as like what we did for the past week through like great visual representation. So thank you. It was torture to lose those live trades, but I think this is going to be a better format. It's going to get right to the point, show you guys what's going on. So with that, I want to thank you to the channel. I highly encourage you to join the Discord. It's going to get popping. These signals are going to come, and we'll have members posting about success. It's going to be completely free for now. I don't know. Things might change in the future. I don't know. We'll see. Likely it'll remain free. But I want to thank you guys for joining and supporting. This has been Rob. Welcome to Ignorant Trading. All right.